Around a year ago, I made a video about ProChain. Now this is the company who are developing the timing chain conversion kit for that 1.2 Puretech engine, as you'll find in many Peugeots, Citroens, Vauxhalls, and ever since then, many of you have been asking for an update, understandably so. And here it is, because this kit is now available to pre-order. Now in this video, I'll talk about exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can get your hands on it. And just to be clear, I've got absolutely no affiliation with this company. I have just seen firsthand so many owners fall victim to this horribly designed engine and wind up spending thousands through no fault of their own. What this company are doing, in my opinion, is an example of humans helping humans, engineers using their ingenuity to right the wrongs left by big conglomerates. And that, I think, is worthy of a bit of airtime. Now very briefly, just in case you're completely unaware of this engine, back in 2012, under growing emission pressures, Stellantis, or PSA Group as they were known at the time, they needed a new generation of efficient petrol engines. This was to replace the old TU engine, which wasn't a bad engine by any means, it was just struggling to meet the new emission standards that were cropping up at the time. What they came up with was the 1.2 Puretech, and on paper at least, it looked brilliant. It was actually quite a revolutionary little engine, and critics were raving about it. 110 brake horsepower, bags of torque, but still capable of 60 miles to the gallon. They did, however, make one critical error. See, Ford, a couple of years prior, they'd brought out their very own revolutionary little engine, which has now become a bit infamous as well, the EcoBoost.
This car has the International Engine of the Year, and so does this one.
Now that offered a similar level of power and economy, but the way that they achieved it was by using a wet timing belt. Essentially, a traditional timing belt, a bit like this one here, but rather than being on the side of the engine, it was inside the engine, constantly running through the hot engine oil. Now, just like a schoolboy copying the wrong homework, Stellantis employed this same doomed technique, which looked like a revelation on the surface, but behind the scenes, the warranty claims for Ford, well, they'd already started to roll in, hadn't they? And just like Ford's EcoBoost wet belt engines, these Puretech belts, they began shedding material into the oil that blocked the oil pickups. The result was often a total loss of oil pressure, catastrophic engine failure, and repair bills that often ran into thousands of pounds. Now, in the newer versions of these engines, Stellantis have resorted back to a more traditional timing chain setup, but that isn't much help for those of us who have got an old version of this engine, which is where this kit comes in. Here's a photo of a standard Puretech engine with that wet belt still in place, and this photo was taken right after that was fitted, by the way, which is why it looks so fresh. And here's a photo of that same engine, but with this kit fitted, completely done away with that problem wet belt. The weather's also got incredibly Scottish, so I think we'll finish this video in my office. So, how did we get our hands on these kits then? Well, they can be ordered now through the ProChain website for delivery later this year. They've got an RRP of £722 or €829. Sounds a lot, but bear in mind, this offers a permanent solution. Rather than swapping yet another failed wet belt, which may or may not take the engine with it, for yet another failing wet belt, this will likely last the remainder of the car's life. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there's two separate kits available. One's for the naturally aspirated 1.2s that you're going to find in the smaller cars, so 208s, C3s, Corsas for instance, and one's for the turbocharged larger cars, the 308s, the C4s, Vauxhall Grandlands, so on and so forth. One important caveat is they do not sell these kits to members of the public. It needs to be your local specialist or mechanic who places the order for you, which honestly I think is sensible. Although the steps are fairly intuitive for a mechanic who knows what they're doing, you do need to ensure you're locking the cams correctly, locking the crank, ensuring the timing's correct, or you're going to risk causing massive damage. It's not quite as simple as swapping an auxiliary belt on your driveway, for instance. You're changing the whole setup, including all the pulleys, the tensioners, obviously the chain, and various other bits of hardware. So really, it's a job best left to the professionals. Now, I am in talks right now with a mechanic who does a lot of work for me, and he has extensive experience with wet belt engines. Up until now, he's just been swapping wet belt for wet belt. That's all that's been available. But we are looking to see if this is something that we can offer those of you based in Scotland. And if we deem it something that we can take on, I'll make another video letting you know. So please, if that's of interest, hit the subscribe button now and you'll see that pop up in due course. Our plan would be basically keep a few of these kits on the shelf, drive in, job done, drive out, never need to worry about another wet belt again. Now the final point I want to make here, I've mentioned this before, but just to reiterate because it is important, whilst this is great news for those who already own a car equipped with one of these engines, I still don't recommend rushing out and buying one. There's a temptation there because they're at an attractive price point. The reason for that is because the general public has become more aware of wet belt issues. However, these Puretech engines, they can still have other inherent problems, massive oil consumption, piston ring problems. Don't get me wrong, the wet belt is arguably the biggest issue, so it's great to see a resolve on that, but I still wouldn't go buying one. There are plenty of better choices out there, and if you are in the market, please remember to do a proper history check. I spoke to someone just last week, very lovely lady who'd just bought a new car. Unbeknown to her, it had a wet belt, but it also had outstanding finance, and this is something that the website Vehicle Score can highlight for you, stop you buying. They give 20% off to all our channel viewers. I'll add a link in the description below alongside that discount code, so please make use of it. As ever, thank you so much for watching. Please do keep subscribing, keep liking, let me know your thoughts on this, and I'll see you in a few days' time.